take me to jail.
You're getting a resisting charge.
Let me take some text my mom to call. Let me text her.
Get her.
Let me text her. Call. Why am I gonna go to jail? Let me text her.
Roll over on your stomach. Roll over onto your stomach now.
What you're about to watch is a Gen Z couple doing 109 miles per hour in a 50 zone in Fort Myers, Florida, on a sunny afternoon that was supposed to be a date. The boyfriend blows through a DUI stop. The girlfriend, Kayla, spends the next 30 minutes trying to talk her way out of a tow.
That was beyond stupid, man.
Sorry.
You do realize you almost collided with another car.
Sorry.
Where's your license at?
Yeah, it's on the back.
And you're in there?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Yeah,
in there? You mind if I look in it before you start?
You can.
Where's it at? Is it in here or is it?
I think so. In my door.
Is that your ID, ma'am?
Do you need my ID?
Yep.
I wasn't driving.
You were participating. ID, please.
Do you need my ID because I wasn't driving?
ID, please.
Ma'am.
I don't understand. If I wasn't driving, why do you need my ID?
Listen to me. Stop.
Listen, I'm not trying to...
Stop. Calm down. I'm gonna explain it to you, okay?
I get it.
Oh, no, you don't get it. I'm trying to explain it to you.
I do get it.
Okay?
Like I want you to explain.
We are stopping. I'm going to. If you stop talking, I would love to.
Go ahead, explain.
Okay? You are in a vehicle that is being stopped. Okay? So we are requesting your driver's license because we are allowed to.
Totally get
Okay?
it.
So give my
I will
partner.
be giving my ID. I just do not want to be getting in trouble for anything that I was not participating in.
So then let me have your driver's license,
It's my
please.
fault.
Will I not be
Relax.
participating in it?
I'm gonna ask you one more time, and then I'm gonna
I
take you out of the
totally
car,
get
and I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
But you're gonna put me in handcuffs because I wasn't participating.
Because you're not cooperating.
But I wasn't in shit if I wasn't driving.
I'm gonna give you one last chance.
Here, my guy.
Thank you.
But I wasn't participating in shit.
Watch your knees.
I'm sorry.
Have a step back here.
I'm so sorry.
Falls under the racing statute and she's participating.
So, I'm Deputy Winselowitz. I'm with Lee County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. The reason why I'm stopping you was 109 in a posted 50-mile-an-hour zone. Okay? Then you go the wrong way and almost collide with another vehicle. Okay? Why?
I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry.
Have you had any alcoholic beverages tonight?
A little bit.
A little bit?
That's it.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be rude. I wasn't participating in it.
Lee County deputies clocked this car doing 109 in a posted 50-mile-per-hour zone. That is not a speeding ticket. That is unlawful speed, which under Florida statute is a criminal traffic offense, not a civil one. And this is where it gets misunderstood, because a lot of viewers think a passenger on a traffic stop is basically invisible. She isn't. Which raises a simple question most people never thought about. What can police actually charge a passenger with when the driver is the one doing 109? Now watch this exchange.
So you want my address?
Yes, your new address. Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry. I just was enjoying my day today with my girlfriend.
The sad part is it would have been a stop and you may have gotten a court date because of your speed. Then you added other stuff to it.
If something happened, it's only my fault, not her fault. It's my fault. Okay.
I just need your new address.
That's my address.
How long have we been at this new address?
3 months, 6 months. I don't remember right now, but it's around that. 6 months. 3 months.
Just lean against your car. I'll be right back with you.
17 Charlie.
Stay over here. I don't mind you getting out of the car, but I don't want you back there.
I just don't want to be in problem with my car. With my own car, you know what I mean? It's my car. I just don't want to be in problem with it.
Are you willing to submit to a field sobriety exercise to dispel my fears that you're driving while under the influence?
Sorry.
Do you speak English or?
A little bit. I don't understand too much.
Would it be better if I have somebody come and translate for me?
She can.
No, I'm going to have a deputy.
Yeah.
Would it be better if somebody that speaks Spanish so you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. Do we have an available translator for Spanish, please?
I know you're doing your job. Please just help me out with this.
I'll help you out with what? I don't know what I'm helping you out with yet because we haven't done it.
You're helping me with.
Exactly. Let's wait and let him do his investigation, and then we can figure it out from there.
Bad situation right now.
Are you in a bad situation right now? Well, no, I'm just getting some things from you that makes me concerned about your ability to operate a motor vehicle.
So close, so close. How about we move over, like in front of your car? That one got really close to me.
That's her car.
Well, it's actually not her car.
Yeah, it's her.
No, it's registered to somebody else.
Her dad. Her
Yeah, but it's your dad's car. Go stand over there with my partner, please.
He's not asking you the questions, remember?
Her dad died.
But the car's still registered to him.
Yeah, I know, but I was just driving her car. It's all my fault. I know you are doing your job.
I am.
I don't speak too much English, but I'm just trying to enjoy all today, my day with her.
I got you.
Everything's my fault. That's what I'm trying to explain.
What are we doing?
Waiting for a Spanish translator.
Oh, okay. All right, we going again.
Here go my vape.
Sure. If you want to, you can sit back down in the car. You don't have to stand
Get
out.
out. I just don't want you guys to be worried about anything.
No, that's fine.
Why you guys that shit under my car?
Did you get it? Can you reach from this side?
I just don't want you guys to thinking like I'm reaching for anything.
No, you're fine.
Stupid as f. Because as he was doing it, I was like, what the f are you doing in my car? I just don't want him to get in trouble. A ticket, whatever the f he needs, I really don't want him to get arrested. I work Monday through Friday. I don't have time for any of this. I'm begging you.
You're begging the wrong person, and you're not going to talk to them right now, so it's not going to happen. They're going to do their investigation. The deputy's going to do what he has to do.
I'm fine to drive. Like on everything, I'm fine to drive. I just chose not to drive. Not even for the impairment or anything. I just didn't want anything to do with it. I don't know if you have any say in it, but I really just want kind of like a warning for him. Me drive my car back home. Not gonna happen.
I can guarantee you're not driving this car away from here. I don't know what's going on with their investigation, but I can guarantee you 100% that you will not drive it.
I know you're doing your job. I shouldn't be telling you what the hell I'm telling you right now. My car's under my father right now. That is dead. So I really don't want any issues with my car. That's the last thing my father got me before he passed. That's the only thing I'm begging you guys for.
We don't know what's going on, and we're not gonna know until he's done with his investigation.
She tells him she wasn't driving, she wasn't participating, and he doesn't need her identification. And here's what nobody in that car understood in the moment. Under Florida's racing statute, being a passenger in a vehicle involved in unlawful speed can qualify as participating. Watching, riding along, encouraging, all of it can fall under the same statute.
Don't hurt your car. You're just telling me about how much it means, and now you're hitting it. Don't hit your car.
I don't want to wait for 10 minutes, 20 minutes for you guys to tell me what you're going to do.
Listen.
I need you to tell me what to do with my car.
Stop.
I need you to tell me.
If you don't calm down and relax.
Calm.
No, you're not.
Calm.
I promise you, you're not. No, you're not.
I've been calm as f. It's just I don't know what you guys are going to do with my car, and I'm stressed the f out. I need
Listen,
you to tell me.
stop. If you don't calm down, we're going to have you have a seat in one of our patrol cars.
I don't need a seat.
Then you need to relax.
I just need you guys to tell me what the f happened with my car. That's all I need.
I'm gonna give it to you one more
I'm
time.
not trying to be a d. I need
Take a breather, relax, okay? Because you acting like this is not going to get this situation to go any faster.
What are you gonna do?
I need you to
I'm
relax.
stressing out right
I will
now.
tell you everything that's going on once I get to that point. But right now, we're not going to tell you what's going on until I figure out what's going on. I can't focus on you and focus on him.
I get it.
I don't think you do.
I just want to know
Because I want to go home at night.
So do I. You
Okay.
you think I'm gonna be here right now when I work
I'm sure you don't.
5:30 in the morning? I don't want to do it.
I need you to breathe. Otherwise, we're going to have you have a seat in the car. Fair enough? All right. Stay cool, calm, and collected for me.
Is your vape a nicotine vape? Because that I could have helped you out with.
I don't know what the f it's in the car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's under the car.
Can you get it for me?
What?
She dropped her vape underneath her car, and it might calm her down. She wants him to lay on the ground and get it out from underneath the car. Would that calm you down if you had it?
Probably.
Can you go under the car and get it?
You can grab it, Alex. I couldn't.
Thank you. Hoping this will calm her down a little bit. All right, back over here.
Come back over here, partner.
Yes.
Hang out there, calm down. You got your vape. We're just gonna sit here and chill for a minute.
I don't want to get in trouble with my car.
You understand a little bit English, but not too
I prefer if to have somebody translate. Hey, I'm gonna need you to help me translate for a DUI.
That's gonna be the hardest DUI in the world.
What do you mean?
You do the phone?
All you're doing is just explaining it.
Yeah, I mean, hey, I'll do whatever you need me to do. All right, let's start.
All right. So,
Hello.
I was asking.
Yes, sir.
No. Face me so you can hear him. Turn me. Turn. All right. So I was asking if he was willing to submit to a field sobriety exercise to dispel my fears he's driving under the influence.
Senor?
Sí, señor.
Okay, he says yes, he will do it.
Okay. So what I need him to do is put his feet together, arms to his side.
Okay, ponga los pies juntos y las manos a los lados, por favor.
Perfecto. With whichever finger he chooses, touch the top of my pen for me.
Con cualquier dedo que quieras, toca la punta del lápiz.
Perfecto. You can put your hand back down. You see that green light right there?
¿Ves la luz verde?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're going to follow the movement of my pen as I move from side to side with your eyes and your eyes only. You don't.
He is doing the exact right thing in the exact right moment. Kayla, on the other hand, is doing the opposite. Before I continue, if you are watching this for first time, I break down real body cam cases exactly like this every week, where one person keeps their cool and the other blows the whole night up. So hit like and subscribe to support this channel, because you're about to see Kayla do the second thing that ruins her. And this is where it gets complicated. Kayla figures out the car is going to be towed.
Feet together, arms to your side. With whichever foot you choose, you're going to take it and raise it 6 inches off the ground, about the height of a soda can, okay? You're going to count just like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
¿Entiendes? ¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
No.
Okay, he has no question and he understands.
All right, go ahead and begin.
1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005,
No.
1006, 1007, 1008, 1009.
Stop. Relax. Put your. There you go.
You're gonna take him. You're gonna f***ing take him to jail.
I don't know. I haven't been paying
Was
attention.
he going over 100?
Yeah, he was. But
You're now being placed under arrest for driving while under the influence. Do you understand all of that?
Estás arrestado en este momento por manejar bajo una influencia.
See or no?
Yeah.
Hey, let me knock him out once. He doesn't need to go 30 days in jail. He doesn't have to go 30 days in jail, please. Please.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, it's my first time. I don't know what we're going.
No problemo.
I'm taking him to jail.
yes, he's under arrest.
327 headquarters.
327.
Don't hit the car. You're going to dent this car that you love so much.
Have a seat for me.
Do you have a cell phone to call for a ride?
You my mom come here and drive my car?
No.
You guys can't take my car. You guys can't take my car. You guys
Hey,
can't take my car. You guys
listen to
can't
me.
take my car. You guys can take my car. You guys are not gonna take my car. Please don't
relax.
take my car.
You need to relax.
Please don't take my car. You can't take my car. You can't take my fucking car. Please don't pick up my car.
Where is your phone? Where is your phone?
I don't know. It's somewhere in the car. Don't take my car.
You need to call your mother to come get you.
My dad's not here to pick up my car. My dad's dead. It's under his f***ing name. Please don't take my fucking car. Please don't take my f***ing car. My mom pick up my car.
This is just house keys.
You said keys. I was the only keys.
Sure you had.
It's in my car.
Yeah, because I didn't want her to get in the car and take off.
Don't f***ing take my car. That's all I'm asking for. Let me have my mom take my car. You guys can't take my f***ing car.
Call your mom and have her come.
You guys can't take my car. You guys can't take my f***ing car.
Come out of the car, please.
Let her come.
You can call your mom out of the
Don't take
car.
my f***ing car. I'm begging you. Don't take my f***ing car. I'm begging
Come over
you.
here. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
Don't take
Come over here. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Do not touch. Come on.
Mami, venga, Naples, y recógeme mi carro, por favor. Sé que no lo puedo pagar. Ven.
All right.
Mami, me da un ataque. Ven y recoge mi carro. En Naples. Ven y recoge esta
You're not in Naples.
mismo. Me da algo, mami.
She thinks we're in Naples.
We're not in Naples.
What am I going to do with her?
If she doesn't.
Alejandro lo arrestaron. Y no regresó recoja mi carro.
Do you want me to tell your mother where you're at?
Somebody needs to come and pick you up.
Mami, recoja mi carro in Naples, please.
You're not in Naples.
You're not in Naples.
You're in
Where
Myers.
am I? Fort Myers Beach?
You're over by Fort Myers Beach, yes, but you're by Health Park, Bass Road.
Do you want me to tell her where you're at?
Do you speak English?
Okay.
Have fun.
Do you speak any English, ma'am?
¿Y dónde está la llave?
Habla inglés?
No, no hablo inglés.
I don't know how to.
Okay.
Officers give her chance after chance to breathe, to sit down, to call somebody. Every sentence is another reason for them to document how the passenger is reacting on scene. And what showed up next surprised me more than any lesson in this
You can pick
series.
it up at the tow yard tomorrow.
No, she can pick it up. Can she pick it up when she's coming here?
No.
Why can't she pick it up? I can't pick
Get
it
her
up.
here.
I'm not gonna be able to pick up my car.
Okay. Your father
You
is
guys are
passed.
gonna-
It's in his
He's
name.
dead. You guys are gonna ask for him. I don't have the money to pick up the
Your
car.
mother
I don't have
can
the
take
money.
the death
She's
certificate
divorced
down
from
there.
him. I'm the next of kin. I'm
take-
the only one who has authority to the car. Let me take the car with me home. Let me take the car with me home. She's picking it up.
It's either you get somebody to come pick you up
Why
or
the
get an Uber,
She pick up my car with
or you're
her.
gonna go to jail for
Take
public.
me to jail.
Okay.
What the am I gonna do? What the why are you gonna take me to jail? Why are you gonna take me to jail? Let me
You're getting a resisting charge.
Let me take some text my mom to call. Let me text her the fucking
Get her down.
Let me text her the fucking call. Why am I gonna go to jail? Let me text her.
Roll over. On your stomach. Roll over onto your stomach now.
Please let me text her the code. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that.
You cannot bite me.
Don't be like that. I'm going through my shit. Don't be like that. Let me text my mom the fucking pink card.
Get your head back so she don't bite you.
No! Please, I'm not biting you guys.
You're not biting me. You drew freaking blood from where you bit me.
I didn't fucking drive blood, you dumb bitch.
Get the other arm.
I can't fucking breathe. I can't fucking breathe. Stop. I can't breathe, you dumb bitch. I can't fucking breathe.
Stop resisting.
I can't breathe.
Stop resisting and kicking me. Stop. You understand me?
I
Stop.
told you guys not to take my fucking car. You guys still did it.
Well, now you're going to jail for a felony.
You, you. The felony. You. You didn't let me do what I needed to do. You dumb motherfucker. Why are you pulling me like? Why are you pulling me like that? Can you not fucking let me?
Stop.
Ow!
I'm gonna go this way.
Ow!
Fix her
Ow!
bikini.
Ow!
Fix her bikini.
Thanks for being kidding because his dumb face is pushing me over. Stop being a dick, bro. I haven't done shit to you this entire time. I have to go to my fucking job. Face. Take my car.
That's blood from biting me.
I didn't mean
Teeth
to do
marks
it.
and all.
You're the fucking bitch.
She's being arrested for disorderly intoxication under Florida Statute 856.011. That charge exists specifically for people who are so intoxicated in public that they endanger themselves or become a disturbance. Alejandro, the driver, his DUI charge was dropped as part of a plea agreement. He pled no contest to unlawful speeds. He paid a $276 fine, and he was released. Kayla, the passenger, the one who never touched the steering wheel, pled guilty to felony battery on a law enforcement officer and disorderly intoxication. Her outcome was 36 months of probation and adjudication withheld, which means the judge accepted her plea but did not formally enter a conviction on her record. That is a break most defendants never get. But she still spent the next 3 years reporting to a probation officer, submitting to conditions, and carrying the arrest on her record forever. The question is why so many people on a traffic stop still don't understand that the moment you make it about you, the officers have no choice but to make it about you too. Drop your take in the comments. Tell me at what exact second you think Kayla lost this case, and I'll see you on the next body cam breakdown.